Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Once it's done, then we need to go into the third step. Third step is setting up the subsection and mapping of this custom MDF object. Okay. So for that, what is the third step here? Configure people profile. Okay. Where you can create a section also, subsection also and mapping of the custom object. Okay. How you will do it? So for that I have to go into the third step. That is called the configure people profile. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So here the requirement is under the personal information you want. If you want a separate subsection that is travel management, and you want to have a custom MDF portlet here. So how you will go and create it? So for that we need to go and create the subsection. Okay. So under this we need to go and create a subsection. How you will go and create a subsection? You have to click on this tab. That is personal information. Okay. When you click on this, can you see here, add subsection option is coming. Okay. So when you click on the add subsection, it will be coming untitled one. Okay. We need to specify the name, that is, travel management. Okay. And after clicking here again, you need to click on here. You can see it is updated here. The travel management. Okay. Again. Click on this blue box. You can see here. Here it will change. So just try to minimize this talent, employment, information, personal information, compensation and you have a custom block. Scroll down. Okay. When you scroll down you can find under the custom block. We have live profile MDF version OK. So what you need to do, you hold the cursor here and drag and drop it here. In this block. Okay. When you drag and drop it there, you find MDF screen. ID option will be generated. MDF screen ID is nothing but the screen ID which you have created. We have created here. This is the MDF screen ID. Okay. So now up to here. If all steps are correct, then this ID should populate in the list here. Okay. We need to search that ID. Okay. So let me scroll down. And let me search that ID. Now let's see, here it is there. Okay. So it indicates that till the previous step, whatever the configuration was, You have done that, we have done correctly. Okay. So we need to select this. So, actually, what we are doing, whatever the object which we have created, the field which we have created, that this is a custom MDF portlet which has been created, that we are mapping that custom MDF object to this subsection. Okay. We are mapping that custom MDF to subsection with the help of the screen ID. Okay. And just try to save it. Okay. Now, after saving it, I don't want to keep this travel management at the top. I want to keep it at the bottom under the personal. So just what you need to do is hold it here and drag and drop it. Okay. You can keep it below. You can see, it is there. Whenever you are making changes again, go and save it. Okay. So we have created the object, the fields, designing of the field from config UI mapping. That field created a subsection in the people profile. Okay. Till here, we have completed. Now, what is the first step which we have to do? That is giving the permissions for the visibility. Okay. How we will give the permissions? So for that I will again duplicate the screen. And I need to go to the permission rules. Okay. I need to go to the permission rules. So what I will do? I will go to permission rules. Okay. After going into the permission rule I have created. We have already done RBP. So I have already created a permission group and rule for the training purpose. So I will go to my role, which I have created. And I will go to the permission. So in the first step, if you remember, while creating the object, we have this permissions as miscellaneous permissions right below. Okay. Permission category. Correct. So the same permission we need to go here. And under the user permission, just go and search for miscellaneous permission. We can see miscellaneous permission. Okay. Go and search for miscellaneous permission, and our object was travel management. Right. So just go to Ctrl F and try to search travel management. Okay. So what I will know? I will just uncheck these options. This was the earlier one. And I will enable this. Okay. Under my permission, which I have created, and then I will save it. This is the first step which we have completed with the help of a permission rule. So once it is being done, the permission is given, we can go to the employee profile. Just refresh the employee profile once. To check the permission is coming on, to check the travel management is coming. You can see travel management PM is coming. Okay.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.